Okay, so most persons don't know that a lot of cars, a lot of modern cars comes with a remote start feature, and the Dodge 2022 Dodge Charger is one such car. So this is how simple it is to remote start the car. So this is the remote. You can press the lock button, and then this button is the start stop button. Press it 3 times, and there you go. Car is running. So once you reach inside the car, you can go ahead and press the start stop button, and then you can go on a journey. And this is especially good in the winter time, so you don't have to go out and start the car. You can just stay inside the house, stay inside the workplace, and just use the remote and start the car, and so you can warm up the cab. All right, that's it.